Welcome to Durham, Maine.
We spent the night last night in this cute little renovated school bus. It's called the Celebration Bus.
And we can't wait to show you guys inside.
Let's go. My girl. So this whole bus had already been gutted to be turned into some kind of a food market, but the owners turned it into an Airbnb. They did keep the driver's seat in here.
Laurel did her makeup in the mirror.
Yeah, did the job. So we have our kitchen area right here. They provide cups and utensils, plates, bowls, everything you need for your meals. We got some fresh eggs and spinach last night from them. We're gonna make for breakfast this morning. This is one of my favorite features.
It's cool enough to be able to stay in an old school bus, let alone hang out in a hammock.
So there's a little seating area right here, which also doubles as another bed, and our master bed.
We slept so well here last night, guys, and you wake up in nature, the sun shining through. It's perfect.
We were expecting to be a little bit chilly here because it is still April, but we were really toasty last night between the space heater and the electric blanket.
Oh, hey, and we also have this lovely porch out here. Breaker 19, this is Nighthawk. So I wanted to let you know that this bus actually sits on the property of the owners, Bertie and Jonah, but we're tucked away back here enough that we feel like we have this entire place to ourselves. So the property is known as the Celebration Tree Farm and Wellness Center because in the month of December they sell Christmas trees, which is awesome. And then Bertie, the owner, also practices yoga and Reiki here.
There's a light from a million suns burning through your blood. Feel the rivers run, a window to the hope and wildest truth. It's all for you.
So we've been exploring the town of Durham. There's a lot of great nature trails, some waterways, and then we came to the neighboring town of Freeport. There's a lot of great shops here, some outdoor restaurants. The weather's perfect, so I think we're gonna walk around and just enjoy the day.
For your own safety, please do not climb on the boot.
Oops, we saw that after we climbed on the boot. Sorry, Ella Bean. Alright, so we're at the Maine Beer Company right now. We came in for some flights because Maine is known for having amazing craft beer, and while we're here we got to sample a lot of it. So I've already tried mine. I have a mix between some IPAs and pale ales. We ordered an amazing wood-fired pizza, which we're about to dig into. But this is such a big space. They have so many seating areas. We're in, I think, what is like one of the main rooms, but there's upstairs seating, there's seating back there, seating outside, seating out front. This place is huge. But it's so open here. You can see all the beer brewing tanks behind us. It's a really cool space, so we're glad we came here, and we're just about to enjoy these beers and the pizza.
This one right here is an oyster stout. It's brewed with the shells of 50 oysters from a local oyster company.
I didn't even know they did that. That's so cool.
I didn't either, but apparently it's a thing. Oh, yeah, it's just like a very well-balanced stout.
It's light too. I think the ABV is only 4.3%, so it's not a heavy stout, but
must be the oysters.
yeah. So we ordered the Fungo wood-fired pizza. It has fontina cheese, wild mushrooms, roasted leeks, and some fresh thyme.
Oh, I'm excited.
I can tell from your expression right away.
Oh, wow. That's a damn good pizza. It is so good. There is so much flavor packed into that. So there's one ingredient we didn't know what it was. It's pecorino al tartufo cheese.
Sounds French.
But it's a sheep's milk cheese with black and white truffles throughout it. That is explaining the pop of flavor I have on this. It's incredible. Okay, bye. We have some work to do over here. Bye, Ginger.
So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me. I need to go somewhere